Yep, Scots Road. I just want to have a quick look down this Scots Road. I've been past a few times and it seems to head towards the hills. So, let's see where it goes. This area, the small settlement of Lithuania was once situated. A New Zealand backwater settlement served the needs of the area for a scant 10 years and has long disappeared from view. Trying to stay vigilant for oncoming vehicles, didn't expect a bicycle. Yep, you clear the way, sheepy. Stop running now. Go and have a look at those maps. Got some interesting names for the tracks. Chewbacca, Ewok Road, Yeah Nah, Siberian Express, Mr. Twister, all sorts of stuff that's obviously extreme sport sort of language that they use. Sort of from grade 2 to grade 5. Grade 6, sorry. Ooh, grade 6 is the Kissing Rock. It's obviously something very difficult. No motorbikes allowed on the tracks, of course. Given my recent experience, I wouldn't actually try it anyway. Definitely stop for a photo here. You can see why this person wants to be buried here or have a memorial. Well, it's definitely worth stopping when there's a view like this. It's a shame the sun's actually shining down into the camera. This is a very, very good view. We can't actually make it out. Over in the distance over there, it's Mount Egmont, Mount Taranaki. Well, there we go, just a quick ride up Scots Road. I just wanted to see where it went, and that's where it went. Up to a rather interesting looking mountain bike park. So if you're into that sort of thing, it looks like a good destination. Certainly some good views along the way, but yeah, certainly where I went on that road, it was just a there and back trip. There was no loop road associated, so can't turn it into a bigger journey. Anyway, quick look-see, there you go. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.